Betul, betul, betul. Betul, betul, betul.
Activity-based costing explained in 3 minutes. Imagine you have a small takeout joint selling burgers and lemonades. This month, you sell 100 burgers and 100 lemonades, for a total of 200 items. What if, at the end of the month, you have an electric power bill of $200? How will you divide the electric bill between the burgers and the lemonades? Easy! $200 divided by 200 items equals $1 in electric power for each burger or lemonade sold. But what if you use 3 kilowatt hours of electric power to make one burger, but only 1 kilowatt hour of electric power to make a glass of lemonade? Is it still fair to write down $1 of electric power for one burger and $1 of electric power for one lemonade? We should write down a bigger electric power cost for the burger, right? This is where activity-based costing is different from traditional costing. Traditional costing is easy because it often just divides some types of costs equally between different items. These are usually costs which are a bit difficult to divide or allocate between products. Activity-based costing finds ways to divide or allocate these costs more proportionally or fairly, so that we can write down a higher cost for items or products which use more of the stuff related to cost. In our case, we now know that we should write down a higher electric power cost for burgers than for lemonades. As a result, this might cause us to sell our burgers at a higher price than the lemonades. Electric power is not the only cost in making burgers and lemonades. Therefore, we have to think about other costs as well before making our final pricing decisions. See, the basic concept of activity-based costing